लेकिन वो तो हो ही नहीं है तो वो ब्रांड उसका तो हार्ड लगेगा। यूपी तो है, बिहार में भी।
Self before we sort of move on with the proceedings, and we have somebody from Harlequin here who would be taking over. So before that, we'd like to hear you say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for coming to this event. Really appreciate it. So basically about the book, as the title suggests, it's a love triangle involving two sisters and a guy. The idea behind the book was basically originated because I myself think that I'm very romantic. Uh, but my wife, before she became my wife, since then she had been saying that I'm not romantic at all. So one day I got tired of it and I asked her, who decides what is correct in romance? You know, usually the guys think something else, their idea of romance is different, and women tend to think their idea of romance is different. This is a kind of a dance which has been going on since forever, and no one has figured this out. So I started thinking on this, and I learned that most women have their idea of romance come from fiction. You know, they read it in magazines, they see it in movies or maybe TV shows. They expect very cliched things like, you know, the man should bring flowers, take them out to candlelight dinners, which basically most normal guys think is boring, you know. So, of course, then the big fight started between me and my wife. So I thought I should write something on this. So the story is about this character who, a woman who has everything in her life, but she thinks that the man she loves is not romantic enough. So the only thing missing in her life, she starts chasing it. She starts to try to change the man in her life, try to make him into more romantic guy. Uh, and slowly, like any normal guy would, he starts to lose interest in her, and then this woman's sister enters the picture, and then the real fun starts because her expectations of man is very realistic, very grounded, very practical. So, so the two sisters are opposite to each other. And that's how a love triangle is formed. And then how it resolves, it goes through a lot of twists and turns before it resolves. And you don't know till the last page who really, which sister gets Hari. So that's why the title, When Hari Met His Sali.
Thank you so much, Ashwardhan. I'd now like to call upon Amrita Chaudhary, Publishing Director and Country Head, Harlequin. Beautiful Amrita Rao.
Thank you. So I'd like to welcome Amrita. Thank you so much for being here. I don't think she needs any introduction. So I'll just ask her to take the stage and we can begin the proceedings, right?
Amrita, we'd like you to join in as well. So we have two Amritas on stage with a single Harsh. We'd like you to kindly do us the honors, firstly, of unveiling the book for all of us. We have a wrapped copy for all of you. If you could kindly unwrap it for all of us, and we'll have quick photo ops, and then we'll start off with the discussion. So requesting Amrita to kindly unwrap a copy. Harsh, you have a copy for you as well. Amrita, one for you as well. Congratulations to you once again, Harsh. We're now going to move on. Firstly, thank you so much, Amrita, for being here with us today. We are going to have a very special segment where Harsh and Amrita are going to be enacting a passage from the book. So before they do that, I'd just like Amrita to, say a few words. Thank you firstly for coming, and what do you think about the book?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I think this is a book, When Hari Met His Sali, is a book that got me hooked from its very title itself. Very, very contemporary, completely deals with, or perhaps gives girls and guys of my age the real perspective of romance. Unlike the fictional, the bookish, the Bollywoodish romance that we all grow up, being conditioned to. So this kind of clears it all. It's not only about falling in love and having a boyfriend. It's about, I think, the real issues that happen when you have a person who also has his dreams, who also has his personality, and not necessarily your timings just match with each other all the time perfectly in coordination. So what I liked about it, it's contemporary and very, very real.
Do you think we could adapt it into a movie? Does it have the makings of a movie?
It should be adapted into a movie. I think it's, I couldn't take my eyes off. I couldn't close the book. And I'm a very lousy reader. So for me, like I said, I got completely hooked by the jaw. And this got to be made into a film. It'll be a running success.